6:16 on the clock. Time for your walk the dog forecast. Norbert is your pup today. Very patient with a toddler there on his back. Thank you to Lori for sending in his sweet picture. I have the yellow paw on this morning. A lot of us waiting for some of that moisture to move in until later in the morning. Even if it does start, it's likely to start off as kind of a wet, slushy snowflake that melts on impact. We see the snow really develop throughout the day, even with our temperatures in the mid to the upper 30s. So we'll switch you over to the red paw. Best to check the radar on your Storm Tracker app before you head out for any kind of walking throughout the day today. And tomorrow, certainly a red paw kind of day as heavy, wet snow does take over for most of us. Temperatures near the freezing point, of course, making this all the more complicated. We will warm mid to upper 30s by this afternoon. And so again, melting on impact is going to happen, especially with a full day of sunshine yesterday. Our roads, our surface temperatures, our pavement temperatures have warmed up. We'll go about 38 today here in Fargo, 39 in Grand Forks, near 40 in Hallock and in Thief River, and about 37 today in Fergus Falls. I do see just about everyone getting above the freezing point. Melting weather is taking over the 10-day forecast. We'll look at that coming up in just a few minutes.